Welcome back to Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve VCE exams mathematical methods question number 9. In the previous video, we have solved the remaining question from question number 1 to 8. You can find in the playlist on Math Solver 1117. In today's video, we will solve the last question of this paper, that is question number 9. Now in this question you have function that is f of x equals w square by x minus 1 square, and g of x, another function, is x minus w whole square. Given value is, you have w equals minus 3 and you have to find 4 solutions to f of x equals g of x. Now we will start solving this step by step. We will equate both of them. First of all, put x equals w equals 3 minus 3. So f of x equals minus 3 square divided by x minus 1 square, and g of x equals minus 3 minus w. So g of x equals x plus 3 whole square. Now we will equate both of them. So 9 by x minus 1 square, that equals x plus 3 square. So our equation will become 3 by x minus 1, that equals plus minus x plus 3 when we take root on both sides. So for positive sign, 3 by x minus 1 equals x plus 3. Multiply both of them, 3 equals x minus 1 into x plus 3. Then we get this as, when we multiply, 3 equals x square plus 2x minus 3. Now we will solve this further here. That we get 3 equals x square plus 2 of x minus 3. X square plus 2 of x plus 6 equals 0. Apply the quadratic formula, minus 2 plus minus b square is 4 minus 4 of ac divided by 2. So 6 into 4 is 24. Then this will be minus. This will be plus. So 28. By 2. Now we get the final answer of this. We have x equals minus 2 plus minus 2 root 7 by 2. Minus 1 plus root 7. Minus 1 minus root 7. So this is the answer. This is the solution for positive sign. Now we will do this for also the negative sign. So write the solution here. X equal minus 1 plus root 7 and x equal minus 1 minus root 7. So for negative sign, 3 by x minus 1 equals minus of x plus 3. Then we have 3 equals minus into x plus 3 into x minus 1. Multiply this. This is x square plus 3x minus x is plus 2 of x minus 3. So we have values are x square plus 2 of x minus 3 equals minus 3. So x square plus 2x plus 6 equals 0. Or this is 3, this will become minus and it will be goes to this. So minus 3 plus 3, this is cancelled out. X is taken common, so x plus 2, x is 0 and x is minus 2. This is the solution. So these are the four answers. X equal minus 1 plus root 7, x equal minus 1 minus root 7, x equal 0 and x equal minus 2. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117. This channel is the learning hub for all mathematical problems related to O levels, A levels, IGCSE, GCSE and many others competitive exam solution. Keep learning, keep growing. Watch you in the next video. Stay tuned.